Yeah?
Don't tell Mummy we're using her fabric.
Okay. But Mummy would be so angry about that.
I don't want Mummy to be going, why did you get my fabric? This is my good fabric. So we can hang down the house for when people come trick-or-treating.
Yeah.
And maybe we can make it scary. We're going to make it scary or not too scary.
Just a lot scary.
So,
and also taking this.
what do we need to make the ghost, Asia? What do we need? Let's look for some white material. Oh,
like this.
do you think? No, look. Do you think Mummy will let us use this? This is some balloons. We need the balloons. We also need. Oh, look! In Mummy's thing, we need scissors.
This red scissors.
We need some string. Oh, we'll use this one. It's already open. And we need the black texture.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do first, we'll get this out.
Yeah.
Don't tell Mummy we're using her fabric.
Okay. But Mummy would be so angry about that.
I don't want Mummy to be going, why did you get my fabric? This is my good fabric.
And put like 124 money into it. I can't. Can't do it then.
So we've done a big red balloon.
What? Can you see Daddy's foot? It's yucky. He didn't even clean it. Yeah,
We might have to put some eyes in there. We'll put some eyes. Here. We're going to put a little hole so we can put the string so we can hang it up like that.
That's enough now. I don't know.
Ooh. Okay.
No.
Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so now, where's the string?
I don't know what he's talking about, guys. It's going to be a little secret.
Well, Mummy will be like, why are you using that string now?
Why are you using that? That's special, I think. And you think, is there a balloon under there?
Okay, so let's go outside and we're gonna hang him off here.
And here.
Okay? Ooh, so this is what it looks like hanging up. Does it look scary, Asia? We'll turn him around this way. One string, one balloon, and some of your mummy's fabric, but you can't tell her. Okay, shh, you can't tell Mummy or she's gonna get angry at Daddy. Yeah. Ooh.
You all are going to the park with your dad?
Yay!
Mummy's going to work?
Yay!
And you're gonna...
Daddy.
Hi. ride your bikes. Hey,
Go swimming.
look at that sun. The sun is rising. Oh, it's already risen. But this is Redland Bay. I think you're speeding as well.
One, two, three. Naya. Whoa! Oh! In 1, 2, 3, go! You keep going. You'll catch up to him. Go, Eva, quick before Asia comes. Hurry. Here comes Asia. Will she win? You can see it in her eyes. Go, Eva. Asia's coming. Oh, Asia, you cheater. Asia. Yes. You cheated. She cheated, everyone. You're a cheater. Whoa, 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 whoa! Go, Eva, show me a big one. Do a big one. Whoa!
Watch.
Go. Go, Naya. Whoa!
That's it, I can see it.
Go. Whoa!
My name is Aisha Balaisha, and don't forget to like and subscribe.